Good morning, everybody, from a very blizzardy, snowy Tomamae in North Hokkaido. As you can see today, the wind is howling and it's whiteout conditions on the roads all around. Ooh-wee! It's not all that cold, but the wind chill is certainly making the hands sting just a little bit. So let's just have a look around here, looking down my driveway. Not that you can see too much at all. The house is just there in the background. So there we are, reporting from North Hokkaido. I'm Pete. Have a great day.